It's Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you.
This month, we updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including PostgreSQL. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. The new standard clustering model with an embedded PostgreSQL database on server and edge is now generally available. It utilizes PostgreSQL logical data replication for better flexibility and provides advanced options like automatic load balancing and database and application failover. The administrator and installation guides have been updated to provide information on this new model. Documentation on the legacy solution with embedded MariaDB is available on the Axway support portal. This update introduces a new administrative role type, External, which allows externally managed administrators to log into SecureTransport through OAuth 2.0 without having a local account, which ensures a more streamlined and secure access management process. Refer to the administrator guide for setup information. SecureTransport can now be deployed on the Google Cloud Platform by using a cloud-managed database, Google Cloud SQL for PostgreSQL, and storage, Google Filestore over NFS version 3.0. At Axway, we're dedicated to ensuring digital accessibility for individuals with disabilities, and we're continuously working to enhance the user experience for all and adhere to applicable accessibility standards. We are pleased to announce that the SD-Web client is now fully compliant with the criteria of WCAG 2.1 Level AA and RGAA version 4. The login page for administrators is now compatible with password managers. It has been tested with Google Password Manager, Dashlane, and LastPass on the Google Chrome, Firefox, and Edge browsers. To prompt Google Password Manager to save passwords, the certificate for the URL must be trusted, while the Dashlane and LastPass plugins do not have this requirement. The expiration parameter in the post site's request for AdHoc is no longer mandatory. The default value remains 1 day and is applied if the parameter is not specified or has an invalid value.
Thanks for watching! Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.